Good afternoon. Today we are here at our brand new sale. We're literally just starting today, and we're going to give you a tour of the garage because we're going to be putting several items for sale ahead of time because we need the space in this one. And I think that a lot of you are going to be very excited to see all the things that are in this garage. The sale is in South Fort Worth. We're not going to release the address until the day before the sale, which is probably going to be mid-November, first part of November, mid-November, because this is going to take us a while, but we're very excited. There are some amazing things, and so we are excited to show you. So let's go take a look around. Okay, so first off, this is the garage. We have literally done nothing. We are just here right now, getting started today. So you can see there's a lot of things in this garage, and this is a 3-car garage. Not so much over here. All of this over here is our stuff, so just ignore that. But there's a lot of tools, really nice ladders. There is all kinds of stuff. Now, there's a few of these shelves that we're probably going to be selling ahead of time. We've got this metal shelf that's probably going to be going ahead of time because we need to put our own shelves there. This amazing Cobalt tool storage chest is probably going to be for sale ahead of time because it is loaded with tools, and we need to get all those out of here and have a place for them to be displayed. These are very nice and very clean. We have a work table over here that's underneath a lot of these boxes. We have got, hello Lindsay, hello Mary. We have got this Husky. This has actually it can be plugged in, and it does have outlets on the side. It's a beautiful tool set along with a top work table, and again, it is full of tools that we need to get out and organized. We have an almost brand new drill press. This Delta drill press is almost brand new. In fact, a lot of these woodworking tools are brand new because he was working on a project. And we have a table saw, a skill saw, along with a rockler table saw on wheels. We have got another table saw underneath there. We've got lots of grips, and I believe that is, yes, that's a dust collector, a really nice dust collector. We have got, over here, we've got so many tools. Now these tools probably are gonna stay in the sale because once we get them out of there, but look at all this wood that is in this house that we need to find a place for. Yeah, so it's a lot. It is a lot. We also have a table over here, and we've got lots of tools that we have to go through. So that's what we're going to be working on for the next little bit. We're going to be posting a lot of this on Facebook Marketplace. So if you do want to follow what we're doing with this sale, I would highly suggest following us on Facebook at Jennarocity Estate Sales. And I'm going to be posting a lot of it on YouTube as well, and just all the socials, because we want to get word out. We haven't even gone inside yet, and I will take you inside, but this is our priority number one, is to create some space in the garage. So it's going to be fun. Stay tuned.